Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer if you are new here, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing Online Makeup Academy. I first just want to say thank you, and I'm so grateful to Online Makeup Academy for providing me this opportunity. I've loved makeup since I was very young. I love makeup, hair, beauty. I used to sit my sister down and like try and do makeup on her and do her hair, and she hated it, but I have just been obsessed with makeup and beauty and everything that goes along with that since I was very young. I have always thought about becoming a makeup artist, and this opportunity came to me, and I'm just so excited to kind of give you guys some more information. If you are interested in becoming a certified makeup artist, or if you want more information on Online Makeup Academy, I just want to share my experience and how it has gone for me. Also, I'll leave all of the information about Online Makeup Academy down in the description box below if you want to check out more information about the actual school. So to begin, I wanted to go over the course that they did gift me. So for the past few months, I have been taking their Master Makeup program. They do have a few different programs. So they have the Advanced Makeup course, Elite Career Path, Special Effects, Pro Hairstyling, but so far this has been an incredible experience. Any videos that I've showed you guys before on my channel have been more like me just playing around with makeup. I've never actually even watched that many tutorials, so everything you've watched before is just me playing around with makeup and testing it out on myself and practicing. Going to school to become a certified makeup artist, I realized, is completely different than just sort of playing around with makeup and knowing how to do it on yourself. The actual art of doing makeup on someone else and multiple different skin tones and knowing how to make it look good is definitely an art. So what I really like is on the website, it'll show you the modules and how the course is broken down. So for the course I'm taking, there is Module 1, which is Fundamentals, Module 2, Sanitation and Hygiene, Module 3 is Skin Preparation. Module 6 is Bridal Makeup, which I am the most excited about. Module 7 is Mature Skin Makeup, Male Grooming, Working with Kids. So some really cool perks that I find amazing with this course is that you do get pro card benefits. So you get 40% off Friends Beauty and Nigel Beauty Partners, and they have a lot of different brands like Makeup Forever, Anastasia Beverly Hills, NYX, all the brands that all of us know and love. So that is a great perk and benefit once you complete the course. Another thing that I absolutely love that really makes this feel like you're still in school and it's not just like you're on your own and you're just doing school online and you're not sure if you're doing it right. So what you get is one-on-one personal video guidance from your instructor. So it's just like going to school. They give you assignments to complete. You complete them, you send them into your instructor, and they give you feedback, which is so helpful because this is professional makeup. Like I was saying, with me, I've done my makeup so many times, but on other people, that's a completely different obstacle to tackle where you really need to know what you're doing. So that has been so helpful, having that guidance from instructors to actually know, am I doing this right? Does it look good? Is there anything else that I need to work on or get better at? So for me, that one-on-one individual interaction and having that lifetime sort of guidance throughout your career as a makeup artist is so important. Also, I love that the course covers all different skin tones, skin types, face shapes, ethnicities. So you know going out of this course that you're going to be able to do makeup on all different types of skin types, skin tones, ethnicities. Even if it takes practice, you already sort of understand the fundamentals of how should I be doing this to make it look good and do the job to the best of your ability. Obviously, it's gonna take practice, but having that in the course is so helpful. So after you complete the course, you do earn your certificate, which I'm so excited to receive mine. I still have some work to do, but I cannot wait. So for me, this has been an incredible opportunity because I do work full-time. I'm very busy. I also have a part-time job that I do. So being able to do this on your own time, and even if it's only an hour a night or 3 hours one day that you want to sit down and go through more of the courses and the coursework, it's just so nice that you can do it on your time and fit it into your schedule, because with normal school or going to beauty school, you're gonna go and be there for the expected length of time that you're supposed to be there and then try and fit work around that. I just love that this is such a flexible opportunity to work into your schedule that you already have, but if you're also wanting to become a makeup artist, it's just it's incredible. Another thing that I really like, and this is in the fundamentals part of the course, is they go over how to be a professional makeup artist, what you should be wearing, how you should be looking, just the fundamentals, and then even going into how to set up your station when you arrive at clients or wherever you're going to be doing makeup for that day. I just love that this is such a professional take. This isn't something where you're just sitting down, you do a few makeup looks, and you're gonna be a certified makeup artist. They really take their time to make sure that you know what you're doing, and I love that. So it's professional, it's high quality. I just love that Online Makeup Academy is putting as much energy into me as I am into them, if that makes sense. I also love that they go over all different skin types, how you should be prepping the skin before doing makeup. I used to work at Origins and Origins Counter, which is a natural skincare line, and I did do like mini facials on people, and I did skincare, and I sold skincare. Going over that as a refresher sort of was really, really nice. Seeing it in more of a professional setting, like how do I need to prep the skin to guarantee that my client is going to have the most perfect look that I need to be achieving for them. So it's just been such a great experience so far, and I don't know why I haven't done something like this sooner. That's why I keep saying that I'm so grateful and thankful for the opportunity, because it fits so well into everything that I already love and I've always loved. I don't know how many times I've heard, "Jen, why aren't you a makeup artist yet? Why aren't you doing hair?" So yeah, I just love that this fits perfect into my lifestyle. After I complete this course, I would love to take the pro hairstyling course and know how to do bridal hair along with bridal makeup. I think that would be beautiful. So I will most likely be taking that as well, and I can always talk more about that in another video. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped if you're looking for some more information on Online Makeup Academy and what they can offer. Again, in the description box, I will leave the link to Online Makeup Academy. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can always do another update if you guys would like when I've completely finished the course, but I'm sure I'll update you guys on like Instagram or TikTok as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.